Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So as you probably saw in the title, the Dually got some new wheels. So this is just going to be like a quick little update video. I know I haven't made a video in a minute, so I just wanted to give you guys an update, keep you in the loop. So a couple changes. We ended up selling the 35s and the 16s off the truck. We got pretty good money for them, so I bought these 17-inch 3rd gen wheels off of actually they're 4th gen wheels technically, but they're the same as a 3rd gen. I got them from a 2014 Dually, and they've got the stock 31-inch all-terrains on them. They're kind of wimpy, but the more I look at the truck, the more it's honestly growing on me. I don't love it. I still wish they were bigger, but they're good for now. So I got these for a really good deal. I think I got these for $340 maybe, all 6, and then I actually got a spare too. So I mean, that was pretty good. Tires are in pretty good shape too. I'm gonna get bigger tires eventually, probably just some 33s, or maybe I'll go back to 35. I'm not really sure. But anyway, so I sold those, bought these, and then I also did new brakes, new rotors, new wheel bearings, and new pads. And the calipers are only maybe 8 months old, so I didn't have to change those. But I was gonna film that whole process, but it kind of ended up being, basically what we were gonna do, we were gonna change the passenger side and then show you guys changing the driver's side. Well, I bought the wrong parts. So I bought 3,500 wheel bearings for a non-Dually, and you may think, okay, what's the difference? So the Duallys have this spacer in here, this big cast iron spacer, and it has to slide over the lip of the wheel bearing. Well, 3,500 non-Dually bearings have a thicker lip than the Dually, so we had to spend a little bit of time just shaving a little bit out of the spacer so that they would fit over these wheel bearings, because nobody had the correct ones in stock that I could go exchange, and the only difference is that lip. So it's still a really tight fit. It's actually tighter now than it was, only because I had to grind them down and then put them on. So it's all good, it's all safe, all that kind of stuff, but didn't end up, I mean, the job took us way longer than it needed to take, so that's kind of why I just didn't pick up the camera after that. But so let me just give you a quick little walk around of the truck now with these baby tires and wheels. It's for $300 for 6 tires that are in good shape, and they ride so smooth. They're so smooth. The truck just looks so wimpy now, but it'll be back soon. But also, while I got you guys, I'm filming this video as we sit here at 950 subscribers. So I want to say that's awesome, and thank you guys so much for watching the videos, subscribing to the videos. I know they're not the most entertaining videos, just because I try to be as informative as I can, but I really appreciate it. We're so close to that 1,000 mark, so I'm real excited about that. And in the comments, if you guys could leave some suggestions on what kind of videos you want to see in the future. It is kind of hard thinking of stuff to film all the time, so if you guys have any suggestions or anything you want to see, feel free to leave it. I read all the comments, I reply to all of them, so I would really appreciate it. And I'm sure you guys would like to see the videos that you want to see. So that's it. That's just this quick little update. We got some new wheels, new brakes, new wheel bearings, and I will keep you updated with anything else that goes on. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.